Hello, at Apex Biology, we are back again with our series of answers to question of WASSCE 2017. Remember our hashtag Apex Biology, and let us go ahead. So we have a WASSCE question of May-June 2017 that is an objective. It said, number 12, which of the following does not occur during exhalation in man? Exhalation is simply breathing out. Now, it is different from inhalation. Now, if you understand exhalation, which is breathing out, and you understand inhalation, which is breathing in, you will understand what we are talking about. Go to my video that I answered the question on describing the process of exhalation and inhalation in biology so that you can get the clear picture. But here, exhalation, what happens is that during exhalation, which is breathing out, intercostal muscles of the chest relax, then volume of the chest cavity decrease, the pressure increase, then diaphragm becomes dome shape, not flattened, and then carbon dioxide inside the lungs comes out of the nostril. Now let's look at the answer here. Now, which of the following does not occur? Definitely, thoracic cavity decreases in volume. That happens during exhalation. The volume definitely decrease. Diaphragm flatten. This is not true. Diaphragm does not flatten during exhalation. Rather, diaphragm becomes dome shape or curves in. So this diaphragm flatten only occur during inhalation. That is why this one is the correct answer. Okay. But ribs moves down and in. No, ribs move down and in during exhalation. But during exhalation, ribs move down and in during the process of exhalation. But during inhalation, the ribs are pushed outward. So this is correct. That's part of the answer here. Then air pressure increases. Definitely this happens during exhalation. The one that does not happen during exhalation is that the diaphragm flattens. Okay, that's for that. Question 16. Deamination, that is the removal of excess amino acid. Deamination of amino acid in the liver produces what? If you don't understand deamination, you can't answer this question. So deamination, whenever it happens inside the liver, it removes an amine group. When amine group are removed from the excess amino acid, it leaves behind what is called keto acid and urea. So let's look at this option that will have keto acid or urea. Now, the amination of amino acid in the liver produces blood sugar, no. Glycogen, no. Bile, no. Urea, yes. So this is the correct answer. It produces urea, or in case another question comes, it also produces what is called keto acid. Okay. Then the last question there that says, which of the following gland serves as an exocrine gland? We have what is called exocrine glands that have ducts, glands that have ducts, and then glands that don't have ducts are called endocrine gland. The question here is saying exocrine. Now, exocrine glands that have ducts or openings are things like our examples of exocrine gland. We have things like our salivary gland, right? Our salivary gland is a very good example of exocrine gland. We have also another gland in our body that is called the tear gland, right? Tear gland is another example of exocrine gland. Now let's look at this list, whether we have an exocrine gland. Ovary, definitely ovary is not an exocrine gland, but an endocrine gland because it doesn't have anything like duct. So ovary here is not the answer. Pancreas is an example of exocrine gland because pancreas have a duct called the pancreatic duct, and it also has an exocrine gland. It also have an endocrine. It also serves as endocrine gland because it produces insulin. So pancreas is likely the answer here because it's exocrine and endocrine. Adrenal gland is actually an endocrine gland. Thyroid is also an endocrine gland. So the right answer here is definitely pancreas. So pancreas is another beautiful example of exocrine gland, while adrenal gland and thyroid gland All these ones that are labeled XXX are all endocrine gland because they produce hormones directly by diffusion into the body. So that is why we call all these ones endocrine, endocrine, and then endocrine. But our correct answer is this as our exocrine gland. So looking at our questions again, question 12, the answer is B, which is the diaphragm become flattened. Question 16, the answer is D. And then question 17, the answer is B. Enjoy learning at Apex Biology. Hit that hashtag and go to hashtag Apex Biology. Bye.